Hello students, welcome back to the class. So students, in a continuation with the topic related to temperature, today once again we are going to discuss some more word problems related to temperature. So now I have taken two questions from your book exercise. The first question says, I had to fly to Mumbai from Delhi. So there is a person who is flying from Delhi to Mumbai where temperature was 45 degree Celsius. So what is the temperature 45 degree Celsius of which place? It is from Delhi. So at Delhi the temperature is actually 45 degree Celsius. In Mumbai I found temperature was less by 20 degree Fahrenheit than Delhi, and after that, after taking the journey, when he reached Mumbai, he found that at Mumbai the temperature is 20 degree Fahrenheit less than Delhi. What you have to find is the temperature in Fahrenheit at Mumbai. So what is the temperature at Mumbai in degree Fahrenheit? So now the twist here in this question is temperature at Delhi is given in degree Celsius. The difference, or you can say the change in the temperature, is given by Fahrenheit scale. So very first we need to convert, since we need final answer in Fahrenheit. So what we will do, we will convert the temperature at Delhi, which was in degree Celsius, to degree Fahrenheit very first. So our solution will begin like this. Very first we will write the information given in the question. So what is the temperature in Delhi? So temperature in Delhi. So what is the temperature in Delhi? 45 degree Celsius. Now since at Mumbai it is 20 degree Fahrenheit less than Delhi, so very first we need to change it into Fahrenheit. So degree Fahrenheit is equals to Celsius multiplied by 9 upon 5 plus 32. That means 45 multiplied by 9 upon 5 plus 32. 5 ones are 5 nines are 9 nines are 81 plus 32. So what is our temperature? 81 plus 32, 113 degree Fahrenheit. So basically the temperature at Delhi, which is actually 45 degrees Celsius, on the scale of Fahrenheit is 113 degree Fahrenheit. So now temperature in Mumbai, according to question, temperature in Mumbai is 20 degree Fahrenheit less than Delhi temperature. So temperature at Mumbai will be equals to 113 degree Fahrenheit, which is actually the temperature at Delhi, minus 20 degree Fahrenheit, because it is less by 20 degree Fahrenheit. Subtracting the value here, 113 minus 20 degree Fahrenheit. So that will give you 3 and 9. 93 degree Fahrenheit is the temperature in Mumbai when the person reached there. So at Delhi in Fahrenheit the temperature was 113 degrees Celsius. When he reached Mumbai the temperature there is 93 degree Fahrenheit. So I hope the conversion and the statement question solution is clear in your mind. Okay students, so let's move to the second question. In the second question, what is being said? A sick person having 104 degree Fahrenheit temperature. So there is a person who is suffering from fever, he is sick and his temperature is 104 degree Fahrenheit. It is given in Fahrenheit scale. Took some medicine to control fever. After some time, he realized the temperature dropped by 3 degrees Celsius. After some time when he took medicine, he realized that his temperature is dropped by 3 degrees Celsius. So what is his body temperature in Celsius after dropping of the temperature? So earlier when he was sick, the temperature is 104 degree in Fahrenheit scale. So very first earlier temperature, what is the temperature earlier on his body? That is 104 degree Fahrenheit. Now since it is being said that find his body temperature in degree Celsius, so very first we will convert Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So degree Celsius is equals to Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 5 upon 9. This is our conversion formula from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let's put the value. Fahrenheit is equals to 104 degree minus 32 multiplied by 5 upon 9. 104 minus 32, that will give you 72 multiplied by 5 upon 9. 9 ones are 9 8s are. So that is 8 multiplied by 5, which is 40 degree Celsius. So this is your temperature from Fahrenheit, 104 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius, which is 40 degree Celsius. Now, as the person has taken some medicines for his fever and the temperature is dropped by 3 degree Celsius. So now temperature dropped. Temperature dropped. How much is the temperature dropped? Temperature dropped by 3 degrees Celsius. So what is his body temperature now? Now the final body temperature is equals to, earlier it was 40 degrees Celsius when he was sick, when he was having fever. Then after taking medicine, it is dropped by 3 degrees Celsius, means 40 minus 3. And 40 minus 3 will give us 37 degrees Celsius. So this is his body temperature after taking medicine. So 37 degrees Celsius is actually a normal body temperature. So with this, students, I hope both the questions and its solutions are clear to you. You might have understood it very carefully. Kindly go through the exercise and complete the question from your book exercise. Thank you. Thank you for the lesson, students. Have a great day.